relationships. If you've been following my work, you know that is what I live and breathe through the work I do at Majik Media, how we've grown Majik Kids with all of our artist collaborations. And I am teaching a workshop on May 1st that I feel like, if nothing else, this will be the best 2.5 hour and $129 investment, if you're not a Majik Mind member, that you could possibly make. Because we're gonna be digging into all of the strategies that I have implemented to create prosperous, mutually beneficial, thriving relationships. We're gonna dig into everything from licensing your body of work to other companies, apps, institutions, so that you can generate passive income and license it to multiple platforms non-exclusively. We're gonna dig into contracts, negotiations, how to think about what you could create that could become licensable in the future. We're gonna talk about specifically collaborations and how you can leverage relationships and cross-pollinate with other creators that have complementary fields. This goes beyond just signature workshops. This is creating paid experiences. I used to lead retreats around the world, and I would always collaborate with other people to share the workload. So we're gonna talk about how to strategically think about what sorts of collaborations you could come up with in person and online for things that you wanna be offering. We're gonna dig into how I shifted my business model from doing client work to doing business partnerships where there's a retainer and a revenue share so that the entrepreneurial spirit inside of me gets fed the reward that happens when we win the game that we sign up to play with our partners. I'm gonna also share with you everything that I have learned over all of the years that I have been doing affiliate marketing and how to set yourself up for success, how to approach potential affiliates. How do you structure it? How much do you pay out your affiliates? What do you have to have in place in order for an affiliate to say yes to promoting your thing? I also want to dig into how having your own podcast can open so many doors for you to new relationships, new connections, people with much larger audiences that all of a sudden you can start to create, co-create, and collaborate with. This workshop is gonna have you thinking about the relationships that you're already engaged with in such a unique and different way that you've probably not thought of. Your greatest assets are in your network and the people that you're currently connected to, or the people that they are connected to, that 1 degree of separation. And in this workshop, you are going to think about how you can leverage the relationships you have, or how you can strategically set yourself up for success to use relationships as the way that fuels your success, that fuels the way that you can show up in service, and how you create through your business and the things that you're offering in the world. This is going to be an amazing workshop. If you can't make it live, you'll get the recording within 24 hours, as well as a small community space for you to ask your questions, share your work, and I would be so happy to support you, because when I left social media back in 2016, I had no idea what I was gonna do, and it was all about relationships, being in relationship with people, finding creative collaborations, and this workshop is gonna help you think differently than you've been thinking. Say goodbye to the post and hope slot machine strategy for your marketing and say hello to a whole new way of cultivating deep and meaningful relationships with people in your industry and in your field of work, so that you can thrive, so that your audience can thrive, and so that you have thriving relationships. Can't wait to see you there. Sign up today.